In 2010, In-Situ, a subsidiary of Boeing, was awarded a small tactical unmanned aerial system, or STUAS contract to begin RQ-21A Blackjack development. This program of record for the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps was the first organic and dedicated multi-intelligence unmanned aircraft system for tactical commanders in the USMC and USN. In January 2012, the USMC received a system from In-Situ in integrator configuration to carry out early operational capability for the STUAS program. So, what are the RQ-21A Blackjack distinguishing features and capabilities? The RQ-21A system is modular, adaptable, and multi-mission capable, with roll-on, roll-off transitions between land and sea. This aerial system made its first flight in July 2012, and the system's land-based testing concluded in December 2012. Later in February 2013, the RQ-21A Blackjack successfully completed its first shipborne flight from the San Antonio-class amphibious transport dock USS Mesa Verde. In May 2013, the low-rate initial production was authorized, resulting in the U.S. Marine Corps ordered 32 systems with 5 aircraft each, while the U.S. Navy ordered 25 systems with 5 aircraft each. The Royal Netherlands Army also ordered 5 systems, which were delivered in 2014. 6 integrator systems were likely purchased by an unidentified Middle Eastern customer. Blackjack is currently in full production and is in use by Navy and Marine Corps units. The RQ-21A Blackjack system is a successor of In-Situ's ScanEagle unmanned aircraft. It is a larger, heavier, and more capable version of the ScanEagle, which has served with the Marine Corps and Navy in Iraq and Afghanistan for thousands of hours. The Blackjack, unlike the ScanEagle, has a twin-boom configuration with a centralized fuselage nacelle, straight wing assemblies, and a rear-mounted engine. The system has a length of 8 feet and a wingspan of 16 feet. The empty structure weight of the system is 75 to 81 pounds, the maximum takeoff weight is 135 pounds, and the maximum payload capacity is 40 pounds. For the payload to operate, the system requires 350 watt of onboard power. Since the RQ-21A Blackjack is a modular and adaptable solution for both land and maritime operations, it consists of 6 payload bays that can be customized with cameras, communication capabilities, and a variety of other tools to provide exceptional situational awareness. The sophisticated payload enables military units to respond quickly to emerging threats. So now, let's take a look at its payload equipment in detail. The multi-intelligence aircraft system of RQ-21A Blackjack consists of 5 multi-mission air vehicles, 2 ground control stations, as well as launch and recovery equipment. The air vehicle's open architecture configuration is designed to seamlessly integrate multi-mission payloads, including day and night full-motion video cameras, infrared marker, laser rangefinder, communications relay package, automatic identification system receivers, and the addition of other payloads as determined by requirements. Additional payloads, such as synthetic aperture radar ground-moving target and signals intelligence, are also being integrated. Air-to-ground communication systems from Integrator provide direct payload communication up to 50 nautical miles from a ground control station. To meet the expended mission requirements, the system includes electromagnetic shielding to support customized communications relay and radio frequency sensor payloads. The Alticom Vision TM imaging system, a stabilized turret that eliminates in-flight vibrations and automatically tracks targets of interest, is housed in the nose bay of the RQ-21A in its baseline configuration. On the other hand, a laser rangefinder and an infrared marker are included in the aircraft's baseline sensor package incorporated in the turret. The RQ-21A Blackjack's turret also houses an electro-optic imager for high-resolution daytime imagery. allowing operators to focus on and maintain positive identity for objects of interest, 1.1 to 25 degrees optical field of view, and 4 times digital zoom, and a mid-wave infrared camera with quality thermal imaging for nighttime and low visibility operations, 2 to 25 degrees field of view, and 4 times digital zoom. Besides that, the Blackjack's reconfigurable payload spaces are linked to a communications relay package that includes the Ethernet protocol and a data encryption device. The U.S. Naval Surface Warfare Center awarded Z Microsystems a contract in February 2013 to provide intelligent display series for the Blackjack. The IVS has flat panel displays with real-time enhanced video capabilities. In terms of mobility, the RQ-21, an unmanned aircraft system, is powered by an 8-horsepower 102-stroke heavy-fuel reciprocating engine. The engine incorporates EFI and runs on GP5 and JP8 fuels, making the aircraft can fly for more than 13 hours, with a maximum endurance of up to 16 hours. It can operate at a maximum ceiling of over 5,944 meters and a minimum operating range of 50 nautical miles. With an altitude of up to 20,000 feet, the maximum horizontal speed and cruise speed are 90 knots and 60 knots, respectively. For combat use, the RQ-21A Blackjack provides day and night intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance coverage, target acquisition, and communication relay through a dedicated and cost-effective airborne sensor system capable of delivering actionable intelligence to the tactical commander in real time. Moreover, the Blackjack's expeditionary nature, which eliminates the need for a runway for launch and recovery, allows it for deployment with a small footprint from both austere land-based and shipboard environments and supporting tactical operations both on land and at sea. Therefore, the RQ-21A Blackjack can perform a variety of missions, such as search and rescue, disaster response, force protection, combined arms, target following, battle damage assessment, pattern of life, border security, asset protection, networked operations, anti-piracy, and so on. Its roll-on, roll-off capability also aids in ship-to-objective maneuvers. That's all for today.